Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 6130M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat air. Tractor has 70 hours on it, so very low hour machine here. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing there for the exact warranty end dates, but it does have some warranty left on it. Tractor again has only 70 hours, practically a new machine. It does have the 24-speed power quad transmission, also has the GreenStar Ready package as well. Paint looks new in the tractor, has the front weight carrier on it. Tires look new, has the steps on both sides of the cab, doors on both sides of the cab. Work lights front, back, and side of the cab. 480, 70, R38 rear tires. Have your buttons back here for PTO and 3-point. Additional work lights on the rear fender here, and then a rear wiper as well. Tractor has triple remotes, ISO plug back here, 540 and 1000 PTO. Has the heavy duty 3-point arms with the extendable links as well as the stabilizer blocks. Super nice tractor. And again, 70 hours on it. Tractor just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Does have the beacon warning light on it. Inside the cab, tractor has the air ride seat in here. That seat does swivel left and right. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Does have the left-hand reverser on the column here. You can shift that reverser right here on the column, or you can also shift it on the loader control. Little orange button right there on the side. You can use that to change direction as well. The loader control is already in the cab, so if you do want to add a loader to the tractor now or in the future, you certainly can do so. Tractor also has the 24-speed power quad transmission, 6 ranges, 4-speed power shift within each range, and all your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls located to the right there. Have your display panel on the right post of your cab, so your visibility stays wide open out the front. Has sun visor, rear view mirror, and radio up top. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.